Today I'm going to share a little bit about my 1989 Jeep Comanche that I just picked up. Found this two-owner Comanche on Marketplace last night and messaged the guy, planned to meet him up this morning. Drove 2 hours to pick it up, and overall it's in pretty good condition. It's got four-wheel drive. It's got the 4.0 underneath. It doesn't have an automatic transmission. I'd like to swap that out with the 5-speed here in the future, but we'll take on one thing at a time. The underside, not very much rust. I spent a lot of time in Arizona and getting towed behind an RV. So this does have nearly 250,000 miles right now. It's got a pretty comfortable interior. It's in pretty good condition. You can see here, no tears in the seats. It's got it where you can tilt the back of the seat. Storage behind there. Door cards are in good condition, roll-up windows. And one thing they have that I really like, that I don't see on a lot, is the tilting windows right here. So you can get ventilation in without rolling down the whole window. But let's go ahead and start it up. Most everything works here. Previous owner threw in new plugs, new injectors. He's been chasing a vacuum leak. So this does have a vacuum leak, and sometimes it does make it stall out with the AC on. That's one of the quirks I'm gonna have to solve here next. It does have a whole new AC system put in. It's been recharged, so it does blow cold air while you're driving. But yeah, you come to a stop. Sometimes it can hesitate and actually stall out. These 4.0s run pretty smoothly. A lot of people say they get over 300,000 miles on these. I have pretty good faith in this engine here. You know, if I have to rebuild it in the future, I will, but I don't really drive too many miles, so I think I'll have a lot of time before I get to that point. Right now, my priority before I dig into too much of the mechanical stuff is just getting this cleaned up. Go ahead and clean up the paint, get the interior shampooed, and just get a fresh start on the Comanche. So just a quick walk around before I go ahead and clean up the interior. All the panels are in pretty good shape. It's got these original rims here, which I love. It's one of the benefits of getting something from one of the original owners. Tailgate's in good condition. I mean, so is the bed. You know, it's not very often you need a bed that has carpet in it to try and help protect it. That's a good sign. Taillight needs to get replaced. So a lot of little quirks here and there, but I'm looking forward to getting some bigger tires on here, getting a lift on it, manual swap in the future, and really making it something that I enjoy on the road and off the road.